Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you how you could easily convert any book or document into any format which you want. If you want to convert it from doc to PDF or from Word to PDF or from TXT to PDF or any format, then this video is for you. To begin, you will need to download and install this software called Calibre. I have the Calibre 7.3.0, but you might find the latest version. What you want to do as a next step, you want to open your file and find the book which you want to convert. Assuming that I want to convert this book, which is a PDF or this document, into a TXT or whatever format. So I just click and drag, and it will be adding. Just click OK. As the document is duplicated. As a next step, right click and select Convert Books, convert individually. And at this stage, we are going to click on Output Format. As you can see here on the left, it automatically detected the format and it says PDF, which is the correct format in which my document is. We're going to click on the output format and we're going to select the format which we want. Let's say I want it as an RB and click OK. As you can see with this arrow, the jobs is in progress. Click on it and you will be able to see the conversion being done. Once done, click to close and then click on your same document and click Save to Disk and select Save to Disk. Select the folder where you want to save your file. Let's say I will create a new file here and I will name it test. Double click and click Select Folder. It will start copying the file or the document and then this window will pop up automatically. So just click. As you can see, it's under test. Right click and here you have the file which has been converted. So here I have the RB document and here I have the original PDF and here I have an additional OPF file. So this is how it works and it's an easy, straightforward software. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.